How to add BMW G chassis BDC2 key with Lonsdor K518 Pro step by step. Hey everyone, this is Hussain, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and everything car tech. Today we're diving into an exciting and precise task, adding a BMW G Series BDC2 smart key using the Lonsdor K518 Pro and the BDC2 adapter. Now, before we start, a quick heads up, this video is purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything shown here is to guide and inform technicians, learners, and car enthusiasts alike. We follow strict fair use guidelines. All trademarks and images belong to their respective owners, so make sure you follow manufacturer recommendations and your local laws when working on vehicles. And hey, if you're looking for the exact tools I'm using in this video, check the description below. The links are tagged with my affiliate products. By grabbing them, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps keep these deep dive tutorials coming. Now, here's a question for you all. Have you ever wondered how technicians can program a smart key without breaking a sweat or damaging the car's complex immobilizer system? Stick around till the end, because I'll share a little trick that makes this process a lot smoother, and it's something most people don't know. Let's get into it. Lonsdor recently released the BMW G Series BDC2 and BDC3 key programming function, specifically for adding keys only. Today, we're going to focus on the BDC2 system and show you how to add a smart key to a G Series BMW. For example, we'll be working with a 2019 BMW 5 Series BDC2 system. Here's what you'll need for this procedure. The Lonsdor K518 Pro, or the Pro FCV, or K518 ISC model. A Lonsdor BMW G function license activated. The Lonsdor BMW BDC2 adapter along with the BDC2 adapter cable. A 12-volt power supply. Either an original car key or a Lonsdor BMW G key that you want to program. Step 1 is reading the key data. From the main menu, go to IMMO and Remote. Then select BMW. Choose BDC02 and pick Program Smart Key. Here, we'll select Read Key Data. The device will identify the VIN code, and Lonsdor will confirm if the current SWFL version is supported. At this point, it's smart to back up the coding first, although preprocessing is optional if you're only enabling or disabling key. Step 2, backing up coding, is simple but crucial. Select the Backup and Restore Code function, then choose Backup Code. Once the data is backed up successfully, we're ready to move to the next step. Step 3 is preprocessing the BDC2 module. For this, you need to remove the BDC2 immobilizer module from the vehicle. Connect the Lonsdor BDC2 interface board to the BDC2 module using the adapter cable. And don't forget to hook up your 12-volt power supply. Then, go to Generate Smart Key. Select BMW G chassis and generate your Lonsdor G key. Return to the main menu. Navigate to the BDC02 function and select Program Smart Key, then Preprocess. Make sure your Wi-Fi is active and check that the BDC2 adapter is installed correctly. Preprocessing will begin and complete shortly, and now it's time to generate the new keys. Step 4 is adding the smart key. Select the Generate Working Key function and pick a blank key position. First, insert a working key into the device card slot, then remove it. Now, insert the Lonsdor BMW key you generated into the slot. The system will generate the new key successfully. Reinstall the BDC2 module back in the vehicle. Take all other keys outside the car and hold the newly generated key near the induction coil. Make sure the key has a battery installed. Long press the ignition button for 20 seconds and test the new keys. If everything is done correctly, the car should start, and the remote functions will work perfectly. And here's a little side note. If your cat ever walks across your keyboard while programming keys, don't worry. It won't start generating a key for the neighbor's car. That's just a bonus tip for your pet's safety too. Thanks for sticking with me till the very end. For those of you wondering about the question I asked earlier, yes, with the right tools and following the proper sequence, programming a BMW G Series BDC2 key is surprisingly smooth and risk-free. In my opinion, This makes tasks like these far less stressful for technicians, especially when working with high-end vehicles. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever programmed a smart key before? Or did this walkthrough give you a new insight? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And here's a fun fact. The BDC2 module uses a rolling code system, which is why backing up and pre-processing are so important. Without them, the car simply won't recognize a new key. Don't forget to check the description for all the tools and products I used in this video. The links are tagged with my affiliate products, so you can grab the same gear while supporting the channel. And now, let's crush our targets. Aim for 10,000 likes, 1,000 comments, hype the video, and of course, hit that subscribe button to stay connected with Baabji Motors. Once again, thanks for watching till the very end. Keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.